Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today y'all, I'm coming at you with an impulse buy. So if you want to see what I have, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so the past few days I've just been out and about just browsing and things. I had no intention to buy anything. I was just out looking, you know, just getting out of my head. I went into Dillards, y'all, and saw this. And I was just like, I gotta get it. Like, it was an impulse buy, y'all. I had to get it. So, let me show y'all what I bought. Y'all. Oh my God, y'all. How stinking cute is this mini Kurt Geiger tote? Like, yo, it's the color. Y'all know I'm a sucker for purple. Like, oh my God, it comes with a crossbody strap. It's right here. Y'all, it's the color. It's sickening. I love it. Now, they did release a new green color, deep green or forest green or something like that. Y'all know I love green too. But I'm trying, I don't think I need any more green bags. I don't need any more purple either. But anyway, if they would have had this one in the green, I think I probably would have got that one. And I probably, I'm in the same boat. Let me show y'all why this is an impulse buy. This was $99, okay? It was not on sale or anything. Maybe if it was on sale, maybe. No, this is going back. But let me show you all why this is an impulse buy. Okay, so this, y'all. Y'all know I just bought this. Y'all, I just bought this, y'all. They are, for the most part, the same size. The Kurt Geiger is a little bit, not by much y'all, it's a little bit taller, but these bags are the same. Let me put it right here. They are the same size pretty much. It's just that the Kurt Geiger has the gold hardware and the Coach has the silver hardware. And they're two different shades of purple, but y'all, like, but I didn't even think of this bag. When I saw this one, I was just like, you gotta get it. And I bought it. But like I was saying, they just came out with a green one. But y'all, I have this one in the green. Even though this green is deeper, this is green, y'all. It looks black, but it is green. Even though this green is deeper than the Kurt Geiger green, it's more like, it's a deep green. You can tell more so that it's green than this one. But it's still like a deep green. Y'all, but it's still the same, girl. And we say, y'all, we're no longer impulse buying. We're no longer hoarding. We're no longer buying bags just because they're cute. Even though I love this color, I don't need it, y'all, because I have this one. Oh my God, y'all, like, it's going back. It's going back. Like, but I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you all what I did find in Dillards. And yeah, y'all. And I just want to be looking, and I love it, but it's going back. So, alright you all, I know this is a really quick video, but I did have to come on here and show y'all this cutie patootie right here. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.